Hey YouTube, I'm gonna make a very quick video here on an unboxing on the Moto G Power 5G 2024 edition. Now the reason why I bought this is because this currently is on sale at Amazon for $130 with a slightly more discount if you are a Prime member. And I figure for $130 for a phone that was originally $250 a year ago, I figured this was a really good deal. Especially as looking at the new 2025 model, there really isn't a big difference. The 2025 model, you get more cameras, you get better water and dust resistance, and a slightly bigger display. But on the whole, in terms of the specs and stuff, it's pretty similar between the 24 and the 25 models. So you can see there, comes with the cable, the guides, the SIM tool, obviously no headphone jack. Comes in this eco-friendly packaging. As far as the specs go, it does have 8 gigs of RAM, 120 gigs of storage, and I believe a MediaTek Dimensity processor. I think it's the 7020, something like that. But anyway, let's go ahead and let's cut the seal here. Let's do that. There we go. So, got the phone there. And then there's really not much else. We got a USB-C to C cable. And we got our guide and also a SIM tool down there. So, that is pretty much it. That's it. And now looking at the phone, I could undo this, but I'm probably just gonna slide it out from the bottom here. And there we go, there's the phone. So on the left, you got the SIM, you got your main camera and ultra wide on the back. It's nice, it's essentially a dark blue, but it's more like a black sort of vegan leather material, which feels nice. And then you got your power and volume rockers on the right, headphone jack, USB-C speaker at the bottom, speaker at the top of your front-facing camera. And that's about it really for this.